Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button within the homepage and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, right within your homepage, you will see a join league as well as a create league option. Just go ahead and click on the join button. And now once again, click on join a public league. You will then be asked to choose the experience level, the scoring option, as well as the draft type. You will also have the option to immediately draft a few players. Click on the join a league option after choosing your settings. And now this will take you into the draft waiting room. Now, once the appointed time has been reached, the draft will be initiated and you can change any setting you wish before this by clicking on the edit pre-draft rankings. And now you will also be able to access your team from the My Teams menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a league on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.